I have a new fidget. Yeah, this is my fidget. My tangle! Ah! I'll be right back. Anyway, so this is my new fidget. And it's a tangle, and I love it. Because I cannot wait to get my new fidget pack, and it's coming next week. And yeah, I'm excited. Be right back. Freak just happened. Anyway, yeah, I did not know this was a fidget. This is actually counting as a fidget because, like,
can't you take copyright because of a fidget?
no, you can't. So, this is my new fidget, and I love it so much. So, I don't know. I love all my fidgets. Can you please quit? I'm trying to make a video. She's trying to get me demonetized. I love my fidget. Can you stop trying to get me demonetized?
I didn't. Also, whatever.
That could be in a song, maybe. By the way, a lot of people watch my videos, and yeah, hi Kiki. Come here, Kiki. Come here, Kiki. Okay, she don't want to see me. Come here, Kiki. Okay, never mind. Buddy, come here. Come here, buddy. Buddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Upstairs.
No, I'm on the front porch eating.
Come here. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Up. Get up here. No. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for hurting you. Yes, my dog is very... Oh, wait. It's actually up. Oh, my God. Oh. So I will see you on for... Oh my gosh, he actually hugged me. Come here, Kiki. Come here, Kiki. Oh, you mad at me? Come here. Come here. Oh, good. My cat. Hi, Butter. Hey, buddy, leave the kitty alone. Mama. He actually hugged me. It was so cute. This is what he does when he's tired. He like wraps it. Stop it. Go get him, buddy. Get him. Get him, buddy. Yeah, so, like, I don't know what to be doing right now. And give me. Gosh, I hate that. This is, I made being a fidget. So. Be. Go get him. Buddy, don't you dare jump on this table. If you do, the whole thing is gonna... Never mind, it's gonna fall because, like, it's made out of actual wood. And yeah. Are y'all surprised? Well, I'm not really surprised that she's not in my, actually, she's not in my videos, but, I have so many emojis. I have 7 emojis. So I have a puppy named Luke, and I have I have a dog named Princess, and she is so adorable. And I have a dog named Molly, and I love Molly so much. Yeah. I have 2 homemade bike chains, so I'll give one to y'all if you send me. Never mind. But I want to give one to y'all. I mean, I guess I can give one to my friend at school that watches my videos. Because she actually does come to my school. And I'm not going to say her name. It starts with an A, N. But I'm not going to actually, like, say her name. But I love my homemade bike chains. So yeah. I'm probably going to give one to her if she asks for one. If she sees this video. Look at this. My elephant. My Mochi. Elephant Mochi. You guys, I love Mochi so much. And I had to clean them. But I'll make a cleaning video. So yeah. Let me say that I might get it. Never mind. Yeah, I'll keep that to myself. I remember, like, y'all, I haven't been posting because my tablet's always been on the big wrap. And I didn't want to charge it. because like I wanted that wallet to charge. No, oh my gosh, his Samsung watch. And mom has an Apple Watch, but yeah. So I love my new Tangle. Like I'm literally obsessed because I always play with it. And like this used to be my fave. This is my fave. Yo, I cannot wait to get my Wacky Chucks, my puzzle ball, my mochis, my marble meshes. Like yeah, I only have one more. Like I don't know. So I cannot wait to get my freaking pop it. Like that's the thing. Pop it. Like pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. I'm gonna have so many fidgets. So yeah. What? Okay, I'll be right back. So yeah, now so I'm gonna clean my mochis after I do something. So yeah. I don't always say her names in my video, so I guess I'll do it. And yes, I might see if she wants my way by chance. Oh, so yeah. But I don't know if she does or not. But if she does, then yeah. So I'm gonna go get my mochis. Debbie. So guys, I know y'all have been on the whole freaking time, I think. But I'm gonna be cleaning all of my fidgets, like that I need to clean, cause these monkey nose, and I'm getting more monkey nose, like 4 more. So, like I need hot one, like kind of, not really though. So yeah, I'm getting all the ones I need to clean. I like cleaning a water tower. It's like it gets dirty, so like why not clean it? So yeah, got pig mochi. I love her. Hamburger, of course I had to clean my hamburger because just because it's gonna be a lot of drama. A drawer and hands, it's just so yeah. Okay, that's enough. It's literally so hot right now. It's like a swimming pool, like you could swim in. I'm this Nubian emoji and I love it so much. And then my hedgehog, textured thing. I don't really count it. I mean, I count it as a fidget, but it's really not a fidget. It's a peanut pineapple. I don't even need to clean this. Yeah, I probably don't, because it's probably been decades. I don't even know what this has been, so yes, I'm cleaning this. This is my cloud mochi that goes in my elephant. Handmade bike chain, of course. Probably not my Tangle because, like, just match. Do more magic. Teddy bear goes on hedgehog, duck goes as my panda. So I'm gonna put most of them. Oh gosh, I have to put the soup in first. Ooh. Okay, Teddy just. I'll just sing it. I'm not even singing. I'm literally just set that for some reason. It's not even a song. Oh, woo. Okay. Clean mochis. And I'm probably gonna put my cereal bowl in there with them. Hopefully this video doesn't get demonetized. Not demonetized. Oh my god, I'm stupid. The back water. Oh, you don't need to be cleaning this right now? Yeah, sure, whatever. Cool things. Oh, things. Winmar? Who the frick is Winmar? I don't even know. Y'all, my sister Lainey has so many freaking views, and I have like the most views I have is like 4. Yeah. Y'all, please watch my videos to the end because there's a lot of stuff happening at the end. Wondering why I don't edit my videos because I don't know. I think they're good no matter what, even though like probably not. It doesn't matter to me because I don't really care. I think the most views I've ever had is 6 views, actually. But my most views my sister had is 600 something. But I don't have that many views. I have like 6. So can you please watch like more of my videos like that? Can you please just like watch my videos because like I need a lot of views because I want views like famous YouTubers. So yeah. Goodness gracious. This is gonna call for a part 2. See y'all in a minute.